Good morning, kids! Good morning, parents! Welcome back to day 2 of our online reading tutorials for children. I hope you enjoyed our lessons yesterday. This is Teacher Len, and today I'm so excited to teach you more. So let's begin. Are you ready, kids? Yes, you are. Lessons for today: learn letter T and its sound. Review letter A and B. Okay, let's review first. This is letter A, and the sound is A. A. So here are the words. Let's read them again. Follow this pointer. Sound it first. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Ant. A. Arrow. A. Arrow. A. Avocado. A. Avocado. A. Anchor. A. Anchor. A. Ask. A. Ask. Now it's your turn. Follow this pointer. Sound it first. Begin. Alright, you are great. So letter A, sound is A. Don't forget it. Next letter is, what letter is this? It's letter B. B, sound as B. B. Okay, so can you think of any word or object which has the beginning sound of B? For example, B, basket. Right? So just like this one, basket. Let's read the other words. Begin. B, bag. B, bag. B, bat. B, bat. B, basket. B, basket. B, band. B, band. B, back. B, back. Now it's your turn. Ready? Sound it first. Good job! Now, let's do this activity. Choose and encircle the correct letter as the teacher sounds it. Okay, so I want you to use your pointing finger. So imagine that this is your pencil. And as I sound the letter, choose between these two letters which one. Okay, so listen carefully. Number 1, the sound is B, 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 B. Okay, so I want you to answer it now and circle. Number 2, the sound is A. A. Encircle it now. A. Alright, let's check. So number 1, the answer is letter B. It sounds as B. B. Number 2, letter A. Sound is A. A. Okay, if you're correct, then good job. Stars for you. Okay, we have a new letter today, and today's letter is letter T. T. And the sound of letter T is T. T. Not ta. It's T. T. Okay, so let's try to draw or write letter T using your pointing finger. Okay, so start here as number 1, then from left to right, 1, and then in the middle, 2. Again, 1, then 2. Small letter T, start here, 1, then here from left to right, 2. Again, 1, 2. Very good. Now, can you think of any word again or object which has the beginning sound of T or as in T, T? For example, turtle, turtle. Like this one, is turtle slow? Yes, the turtle is slow. T, turtle. Another one, I remember turkey, T, turkey. Like this, have you seen a turkey? Yes, I saw a turkey, T, turkey. So how about you? Okay, give an example and say it aloud. Ready? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, your audience are cheering for you. Very good. So let's read the words with the beginning sound T, T, tag, T, tag, T, talk, T, talk, T, tart, T, tart, T, tap, T, tap, T, tall, T, tall. It's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. That's great. So, I want you to give the letter names and their sounds. For example, A, 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 B, 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 T, 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 T. Alright, so it's your turn. Give the letter first and then the sound. Begin. Next. Next. Good job. So here are the words that start with letter A, sounded as A. Let's read. Ab, 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 at, 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 at. Okay, it's your turn. Again. Next word. Very good. Letter B sound as B. Let's read. B, a, ba. B, a, ba. Next. B, at, bat. B, at, bat. So where's the bat? Here's the bat. Good job. Letter T sound as T. Let's read. T, a, ta. Again. T, a, ta. T, ab, tab. Again. T, ab, tab. Okay, it's your turn. Sound it first. Tab. Very good. So here are the words. Let's read them. Ready? ab, at, ba, bat, ta, tab. Alright, so it's your turn. Try to read them all. Begin. Again. Next. 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 And last one. Tab. Okay, because you're doing a great job today. You are shining bright. Stars are for you. Good job. Very good. So that's all for today. Tomorrow again. See you tomorrow. Our lessons tomorrow. So goodbye, kids. See you tomorrow and God bless you.